Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita and my channel is about lifestyle. I talk about things which will add to your life. Sometimes I talk about beauty, sometimes I talk about how you can appear for an interview, how you can talk flawlessly and fluently in English, stuffs like that. I also talk about nutrition, what are the things that you should eat and what are the things that you should not eat much. Today I'll talk about a hair pack which will give nutrition to your hair, to your scalp. Now, we all know about henna, right? We all apply them, we love them. And there is a myth about henna. People say that henna will give color to your hair. Doesn't happen. Henna doesn't color your hair, right? Henna is nothing but mehendi. So when you put mehendi in this part of your hand, you see a very nice brown color because this part is kind of white, right? But if you apply henna on your hair and if you have a natural black or brown hair, henna will add just a very light brown hue to your hair, a very light rusty shade. That too, only when you go to sunlight it's visible, otherwise it's not. If you have a gray hair, that or those gray hair will turn into proper brown. Like I have one here that's a new addition to my beauty. This one will be brown for sure. However, my hair is normally black and on top I have some other color. So my hair will not change its color. Only if I go out in sun, then I may see some kind of brown tint, right? Even if you add beetroot juice or coffee powder, you soak henna overnight in hot water or tea liquor, even then it will not give you a permanent color or a dark brown or even burgundy color. A basic henna will condition your hair. If you add milk, not milk, curd or egg or oil, stuffs like that, then it will condition your hair. If you do not add anything, if you just apply henna powder, then your hair will become dry. So these are the two things, only two things which henna does to your hair. And coloring, like I just said, a very light brown hue, nothing more than that. Today I'll show you a very simple way to apply henna that will give nutrition to your hair. It will make your hair bouncy, shiny, however, obviously no color. So let's get started. Guys, this is my henna. Okay, this is Himalaya pure henna, and this one has many other things in it. Like, I mean, if you just turn it this way, you see all the things which are added. I again do not know how much these things are there, and because the proportion is not mentioned, but they say that they are giving amla, curry leaves, shikakai, some behera, neem, green tea, like so many things are there. Methi is also here, bringaraj. So all these things are good for your hair. Methi is anyways good for your hair. Methi helps in hair regrowth, but only if you apply it for a continuous time, like 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, only then you can see some kind of improvement with methi. So yeah, these are the things, all of them are good for hair. So Himalaya is giving these things in henna, and ingredients list is also there. So apart from the picture, you have a list here. Now this one is 75 rupees, and this is how much? Oh yeah, 120 grams. Okay, yeah. So I have applied this one to my henna. So it's almost like finished. This much is only left. I use it a lot. This is a nice hair oil, guys. And this is Nihar Shanti Amla. I have added this to my henna. Another ingredient is something we eat very often. Yeah, curd. This curd, so this is a very nice natural, they call it natural oil. So naturally made curd, this is not harmful. We eat them. So I have applied this oil and the curd to my henna, and this is how it is. Looks like gobar, isn't it? Gobar. Yeah, my children actually, what should I say? I mean, chiraufy me all the time. They say that I'm applying gobar on my head. So I said, yeah, when you grow up, you will also apply gobar. Now you are a child, so yeah, obviously. Uh, okay, so yeah, this is the henna. Now, guys, people generally, what they do is they make portions and only then they apply. That takes little longer time. I do not have all the time, guys. I have so much of work. I have two children, one husband at home. Yeah. And I also have my other work. So guys, I do not have that much time. So what I do is I just do this, yeah, and that's how I apply. And if you apply like this, you generally do not take a lot of time. In 5 minutes, guys, do you see how quickly I'm covering? It's very quickly I'm covering my head. So half is done, and then the other half. See guys, this is how I'm applying. And since you're applying with your hands, you always know which are the parts you are covering. So there is no chance of the scalp or hair left without the hair pack. So yes, see, this part is covered. So if you kind of start doing sections and then you slowly apply, it will take time. You will end up wasting your time if you have other work. And then again, you have to wait for some time for this one to become little dry. I generally keep for 20 minutes, not more than that, maximum half an hour. I do not wait for this one to be completely dry. I'm not even looking at the mirror. I'm looking at my phone mirror and I'm applying it. I'll finish it in front of you. I'll not pause my video. I'll not go anywhere. So, and I forgot to bring my clutch. That's the thing I'll have to bring. So yeah, guys, I'm almost like done. So what I was saying is, if you guys just use your hand to apply, what happens is a very light brown hue, a very light, I mean it, a very light hue will be left on your hand. But that's all. If you just apply soap or something, or even if you are using shampoo, that color will actually go. So guys, I'm done. Did you guys see how quickly I applied henna? And see, I'm completely covered. Now what I'll do is I'll just put a clutch. I'll wait for 15 minutes, maximum half an hour, and then I'll wash it with the shampoo. I do not simply wash it with water. Like I just said, doesn't really give you a color. So if you or rather I will suggest that wash your hair with shampoo when you're applying henna. If this henna or like whatever you're adding to this, if it is left in your scalp, that might be actually harmful. So it's always better to keep your scalp clean. Right, so after you apply henna, just wash your hair with shampoo, a good quality shampoo. If you are like me, I apply shampoo every day, so I use baby shampoos. They are completely harmless, so you can do that as well. And I have to wash my hands. So yeah, with that I'll end, and thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching my video. If it has been helpful, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Your subscriptions means a lot to me. I come here because of you, so banta hai, right? And share also, share my channel, share my videos with your friends and family members. If you want any other topic to be covered, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Thank you once again. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous. Bye bye.